How to accept Bitcoin donations on Wix website. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to register into this website right here called Now Payments. Right after that, you will then be taken to this page where you need to add your wallet. You can just click on the add first wallet, go ahead and type Bitcoin, and from here you want to go ahead and get your Bitcoin wallet address. In my case, I'll just go ahead and copy the address right here, click on add wallet, and we should be good to go. Now after adding your wallet address right here, you want to head over to the payment tools, and inside you want to click on donations. From here, you can just go ahead and choose between widgets or button. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on button right here, and all you have to do is to go ahead and choose between black or white, and right after you have to copy this code right here. Go back to the Wix website editor, and from here go ahead and click on the add elements, click on embedded code, and you want to select the embed HTML. Go ahead and paste your code right here and click on update. And as you can go ahead and see, we now have this button where people can click and donate to your wallet address. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.